Are you struggling with collecting and displaying testimonials that actually convert? Well, don't worry. I'm about to share with you proven strategies to easily gather glowing reviews that will help you skyrocket your conversion rates. Say goodbye to lackluster testimonials and say hello to a flood of raving reviews. Let's dive in. In today's competitive business landscape, testimonials are a powerful tool that can make or break your conversions. They provide social proof, they build trust, and they validate your product or service in the eyes of potential customers. But, collecting and displaying testimonials in a way that maximizes their impact can be challenging. That's why I've put together this video to share my proven strategies for collecting and displaying testimonials that truly make a difference. Here at Thrive Themes, we have a huge focus on step number 3. It helps us bring in powerful new testimonials each day. So with that said, let's dive in. I've broken down my tried and true testimonial strategy into 7 simple steps that will supercharge your conversions. The first step is to ask for testimonials strategically. Collecting testimonials starts with a proactive approach. Don't wait for testimonials to come to you. Be intentional about asking for them. Reach out to customers or clients that are happy with your product or service and request testimonials that highlight specific benefits or results they experienced. And of course, make it super easy for them to submit their testimonials. With something like Thrive Ovation, you can put a testimonial form anywhere on your website and have people fill it out in just a few minutes. Step number 2 is to use diverse testimonials. Not all testimonials are created equal. Aim for a variety of testimonials that showcase different aspects of your product or service. This could include testimonials from different industries, demographics, or even use cases. Diverse testimonials provide a more well-rounded perspective and appeal to a wider audience. For example, real life scenario. If you offer a fitness product, consider collecting testimonials from different types of customers. For example, athletes could be one type of customer. Busy moms could be a separate type of customer. Maybe seniors are their own type of customer. This is obviously going to depend on who your target audience is for your specific product, but you can kind of get the gist of it. Step number 3 is to highlight the benefits. When displaying testimonials, focus on the benefits rather than just the features. Highlight how your product or service solved a problem or met a need for your customers. Use quotes that emphasize specific outcomes or results achieved. This helps potential customers understand the value your product or service can provide, and it motivates them to take action. For instance, here's an example of a testimonial that highlights the benefits. I've been using Tony skincare for just a month and the results are amazing. My skin looks brighter, smoother, and even more youthful. Even my friends have noticed the difference in my skin, and they're all asking me what product am I using. I love how this product has transformed my skincare routine and boosted my confidence. Thank you, Tony Skincare. This testimonial not only praises my product, Tony Skincare, but it also highlights the specific benefits the customer experienced, such as brighter and smoother skin, increased youthfulness, and improved confidence. And, by showcasing tangible outcomes, this testimonial becomes more compelling and convincing to potential customers who may be seeking similar benefits from a skincare product. Step 4 is to add visuals and media. Visuals can greatly enhance the impact of testimonials. You can consider adding in some photos, videos, or even audio clips of customers giving testimonials. Visual media just overall adds authenticity and credibility to testimonials, making them a little bit more compelling and memorable. Step 5 is to showcase testimonials strategically. The placement of testimonials on your website or just about any other marketing material matters, and it matters a lot. Be strategic about where you're showcasing testimonials to try to maximize their visibility and impact. For example, placing testimonials on your landing pages, your product pages, and most importantly, your checkout pages can significantly boost conversions. Step 6 is to leverage testimonials in different formats. Don't limit yourself to just one format for displaying testimonials. You can get creative and leverage testimonials in different ways, such as written testimonials, video testimonials. You can do case studies or even social media posts. Different formats can resonate with different types of audiences, increasing the reach and effectiveness of your testimonials. And last but not least, update and refresh testimonials. Testimonials lose their effectiveness over time if they become outdated or irrelevant. So make sure to regularly update and refresh your testimonials to keep them current and aligned with your marketing goals. And, don't be afraid to request new testimonials from recent customers or clients to keep your testimonials just, fresh and compelling. By following these proven strategies, you will be well on your way to collecting and displaying testimonials that have a real impact on your conversions. If you want to learn more about how you can effectively collect and display testimonials on your website with Thrive Ovation, be sure to click the link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.